Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn your regular photo into a super fun Barbie toy look using DreamFace. It's quick, easy, and you don't need any advanced editing skills, just your phone and the DreamFace app. Okay, let's jump right in. First, just open your DreamFace app. If you don't already have it, just download it from the Play Store and then just install. And once it's installed, just log in using your Google account. Super simple, right? And don't worry, DreamFace will give you a free weekly credits back, so you can try this out without paying. Now, when you're logged in, you will land on the homepage like this, and then just tap on AI filter. This is where the magic happens. And then inside the AI filters, just scroll until you see super filters sections, this one. And then just tap on expansions, this one. This is the filter we will use to create that smooth polished Barbie style toy look for your photo. Just tap on it. And next just select the photo of yourself that you want to transform. Just try choosing a clear front-facing photo for the best result. And okay, like this. In just a few moments, you will see your Barbie toy versions of your photo. Next, if you wanna save it, just tap on the download button and then you can post it on your social media. And okay, that's it. In just a minute, you have transformed your normal photo into a Barbie toy look with DreamFace. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.